Hello student, welcome to yet another explanation video from IIT Academy. At IIT Academy, math transforms into an exhilarating journey. Join us and ignite your mathematical passion today. The first part of the question is asking that if the speeds are normally distributed about the mean 67.3 kilometers per hour and 75.7 is two standard deviations from the mean, then what's the standard deviation of the speed of the cars? So looking at the graph, we can say that the mean is at the middle, which is at 67.3. And the value x is equal to 75.7 is two standard deviations away from the mean. So two standard deviations is equal to 75.7 minus 67.3, which is equal to 8.4. So 2SD is equal to 8.4. We can say standard deviation ST is equal to 8.4 by 2, which is equal to 4.2. So the speeds of the cars are normally distributed about the mean 67.3 km per hour with a standard deviation of 4.2. Now the second part of the question is asking us to find the probability that speeding tickets are issued at a speed greater than 72 km per hour. To find this, we need to find the probability in the region up till x is equal to 70. To do that, first we will have to find the z score. So the formula for z score is given as x minus mu by sigma. X is the observation that we are dealing with over here, mu is the mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. Since we are dealing with the speed of 72 kilometers per hour, we can say x is equal to 72 minus mu, the mean, which is 67.3, divided by 4.2. You can very quickly find the value using a calculator, which comes out to be 1.119. We can round it off to 1.12. Now, this is the z score for the speed of x is equal to 72. Let's try and find out what's the probability associated with this z score. This one over here is the z score table. Over here on the left side, there is 1.1 and this one is 0.02. So if you add 1.1 to 0.02, this comes out to be 1.12. So we should be looking at this value. So the probability is given as 0.8686. But we are not interested in finding the region up till here. Why? Because this region represents all the cars that are traveling at a speed up till 72 kilometers per hour. We are actually interested in finding this region over here, which represents cars traveling at a speed of more than 72 kilometers per hour. Since the total probability or the overall probability is equal to 1, we can very easily find out the probability of the non-shaded region, which is given as 1 minus p. So the actual probability is 1 minus 0.8686. You can again use a calculator to find what's the value. It comes out to be 0.1314. So this over here represents the probability that speeding tickets are issued to drivers traveling at a speed greater than 72 kilometers per hour. Third part of the question is asking us to find the interval between P and Q such that 82% of the cars are traveling between the speeds of P and Q. And then it is given that the interval includes the speed 74 kilometers per hour. If this is the case, then we have to show that the distribution is not symmetrical about the mean. Now let's find out what's the z-score value corresponding to 82%. You can see on the z-score table this value 0.8186 and 0.8212. These are the values which are very close to 0.82. However, we will consider this value to be approximately equal to 0.82. Corresponding z-score for this one is 0.9 and 0.02. So if you add 0.9 plus 0.02, it comes out to be 0.9. So had the distribution been symmetrical, the z-score for that would have been 0.92. Now again, after we have found out the z-score, we will use the same formula x minus mu by sigma is equal to z to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, let's plug in the values. X minus 67.3 divided by 4.2 should be equal to 0.92. Using this formula, we should be able to find the value of x. So x over here is equal to 71.164. So had this distribution been symmetrical about the mean, the maximum value x can take should have been 71.64. However, you can see over here that this interval already consists of speed of 74 kilometers per hour. Since 74 is greater than 71.164, we can say that it won't be symmetrical around the mean. What we mean to say is it will somewhere be around here. On the left part, the region will be much smaller than on the right hand part. That's it for this explanation video. Hope you have liked the explanation. Please feel free to reconnect with IITN Academy for more such interesting explanations. Thank you.